Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. That's the dream anyway, someday. Today we got the 5th saw in the collection. It's a Homelite EZ in pretty good shape. I bought this off eBay a few years ago and never even looked at it, but it's up and running now, so we'll put it in the collection. It's got that shiny bar on it. Let's get that Homelite number if somebody wants it. But I got a red one. These came, the first ones I believe were red. This one you can see where the handle part was red and it's been painted over to blue, so I'm saying the red was first. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's in pretty good shape. Pretty nice. And it runs really well. It cuts real good. And you can see the muffler cover here on these. Pretty nice old saws. And it's got idle on top, low and high. It's got choke, throttle lock. There's the choke. Throttle lock. Plug here. Manual oiler. Still no automatic yet. On and off. Off on the bottom. I prefer off on top so you won't turn it off while you're running it, but that ain't the way it is. Alright. The red one that I have has a better bar than this. This one's got just a little bit of paint left. But that's not the right bar for these. They're supposed to have this shiny bar, I think. That's what I'm seeing anyway, but if anybody's bought one new or one that came that way new, let me know what it's supposed to have. And we'll all know. But what I'm seeing is this one. The red one's got a darker bar. It's got a lot more paint on it, but it's not the same at all. Alright. And we got that. Makes the car better than this. You might not want to know. Well, it says Homelite. Okay. That ain't really what we wanted to do, was it? But at least you know original one's supposed to say Homelite. Unless they got other models. Usually they do. Alright. Okay. Let's start the old girl up and let you hear it. Sounds pretty good. There we go. If anybody needs pictures or something of any of the old saws that we have, just let me know and we'll help you if we can. Because I need help sometimes in knowing what it's supposed to be. So anyway, there we go. Homelite EZ, the blue one. Thanks for watching. Bye.